Programming is very popular, and it's something you'll need in life.
Kids first learn Python and we apply that knowledge to machine learning. But basically, it's still the same good old Python, which is super relevant, super necessary, and you can do anything you want with it.
A computer is basically a piece of hardware where a bunch of algorithms are packed in. First, it really develops your mind. Second, it shapes a mathematical way of thinking. And third, it will be very helpful in life, at work. I wish you success in your programming endeavors, and may everything go well for you.